Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a buyer's checklist with Quicken Loans, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a buyer's checklist with Quicken Loans, start by accessing the Quicken Loans website. Once you're on the home page, locate the resources section in the main menu. Click on Home Buying to find tools and guides specifically tailored for buyers. Next, scroll down to find the buyer's checklist link. Click on the link to access the checklist template. Download the checklist template to your device for easy access. Open the checklist and review the categories provided, such as pre-approval, home inspection, and closing details. Begin filling in the checklist by completing the pre-approval process. Gather your financial documents, including pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. Submit these documents to Quicken Loans to initiate the pre-approval. Once approved, note down your budget and target home price on the checklist. Move on to the search phase by listing preferred neighborhoods and key features you desire in a home. Schedule visits to potential homes and take notes during each tour. Use the checklist to evaluate each home based on your criteria, such as size, amenities, and condition. After visiting various homes, decide on your top choices. Next, arrange for a professional home inspection for your selected properties. Record the results of each inspection on your checklist. When you're ready to make an offer, consult the checklist for necessary documentation. After finalizing your offer, keep track of important dates, such as offer acceptance and inspection timelines. As you approach the closing date, refer back to the checklist for final tasks. This includes reviewing your closing documents and confirming all financial arrangements are in order. Once you close on your new home, celebrate your successful purchase while keeping the checklist for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.